In this video we are going to review Sondiko Butane Refillable Kitchen Torch Lighter. This one of the most popular and best kitchen torch lighter you can buy right now. We made this review based on its performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, we hope this video will help you to decide is it worthy for you or not. We also mention product link in description below for check availability and updated prices. So, let's talk about Sondiko Butane Kitchen Torch Lighter. The torch is ideal for caramelizing sugar atop creme brulee, glazing a baked ham, searing a steak, roasting bell peppers, melting cheese, and toasting breadcrumbs. It is also useful for lighting your fireplace, candles, or cigars, for hobbies, arts and crafts projects, jewelry making, welding, for multiple camping applications, dabs, and much more. Refill the kitchen torch with any brand of butane. Please note that butane gas is not included. Simply slide the security lock to open, light up with piezo ignition technology. It is a portable mini torch that you can take for many outdoor activities like camping and barbecue. The safety lock prevents accidental ignition. A broad base helps to prevent it from falling over. Long-angled nozzle and burn-free finger guard keep your hands safely away from the flame. We crafted our culinary torch out of professional-grade materials, providing you with a safe and easy-to-use tool. Piezo ignition technology allows for use at any angle, even upside down with effortless one-hand operation, adjustable temperature regulator for complete control of the flame, and allows the flame temperature to reach up to 1300 degrees Celsius. Press the button to light the fire, turn the safety lock clockwise at the same time, then it will keep firing without your pressing. Cooking is much easier. For details, let's watch more.
Do not worry. This is because of the high-pressure gas in the torch. Just simply use the red inflation tool to release the gas from the torch, and then refill the torch with the butane gas and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not use this torch against other people. It is very dangerous. And also do not use this torch more than 5 minutes continuously. The torch will be damaged. And remember, when the torch cannot be lit, do not use other igniters to ignite it. And when you encounter any problems, do not disassemble this torch by yourself. Always ask a professional to do it for you.